Hi friends. I will show you how to create light rays. We can create sun or light rays in Photoshop. Let's start without preamble. Press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer of image. Click on this icon and choose gradient. Gradient is blue and white. It because foreground and background colors are set to blue and white. We will set default black and white colors. Press D for that purpose. We want white as foreground color. Press X to toggle black and white colors. Now open gradient and see. It is set as white and transparent. Choose angle in style and angle is 90 degree. Scale is 100% and check align with layer. Click on gradient preview. It will open gradient editor. Choose noise in gradient type. Choose HSB in color model. HSB stands for hue, saturation, and brightness. You can see 3 sliders for hue, saturation and brightness. Move saturation slider all the way to left. It will make gradient black and white. There is tab for randomize. Click on it again and again until you get suitable gradient. Then click OK. Change blend mode from normal to screen. Open gradient fill again to move it. Move it at top. We will adjust it where source may be. Finally click OK. Now create levels adjustment layer. Move shadow slider to right side. Move midtone slider to right as well. We want to colorize these rays. It should yellow or light yellow color. But first we will clip levels adjustment layer, so it affects only on layer below. Create hue and saturation layer. And when we create hue and saturation layer, click on this icon to clip this layer. Click on this icon to clip this layer. Check colorize in hue and saturation. Set the value of hue to 40. Going to close this group. Select gradient layer. Active gradient icon and not the mask. Go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Click on convert to smart object. Make radius 8.0 pixels, then hit OK. Select all 3 layers and create group. Reduce opacity for group to 65%. And here are light rays on image. I hope you like this technique. If you like video, then hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.